So you want to know how to find the average velocity over a given time interval. And today we'll be using this equation. If a rock is thrown upward on the planet Mars with a velocity of 14 meters a second, its height in meters t seconds later is given by y equals 14t minus 1.86t to the square. Find the average velocity over the given time intervals. So let's just focus on question 1 for now. So as you can see, we're giving a time interval. 1 is t1 and 2 is t2. The reason why I'm separating the times is because we're going to be using the equation y2 minus y1 over t2 minus t1 is equals to the average velocity. But in order to find y2 and y1, we're going to need to use the formula provided up here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to plug both values of t, which is 1 and 2, into this formula to get y2 and y1. So first we'll start with y1, that is equals to 14 times 1 minus 1.86 times 1 squared. And this should yield you 12.14 for y1. And then for y2, you should get 14 multiplied by 2 minus 1.86 2 squared. Let me just do that one real quick. 14. That should get you 20.56. And so when you use this equation here, you're going to get 20.56 minus 12.14 over 2 minus 1. And remember, these are the times. And this should get you 8.42 meters per second. 8.42 meters per second. And so when you're doing these other equations, just follow the same pattern. And actually, you don't need to recalculate it because the 1 is already calculated for you in y1. So you really just need to calculate y2. And then when you do these equations, you get 9.35, 10.09, 10.26, and 10.28. Now, in this question over here, it wants you to use the answers from part A, which you will calculate to estimate the instantaneous velocity of the rock when time is equals to 1. Now, the thing is here, it's asking you to estimate, so you don't need to show your work. And the answer is not 10.3, it's 10.28. The reason why it's 10.28 is if you did part 5 of A, you'd actually get a number closer to 10.27, like 99, something like that. And so when you round it up to part B, it would just be rounded to 10.28, and so that's your estimate. And if you do all these, you will get everything right. So just make sure to remember the y2 minus y1 over t2 minus t1 formula, and remember that this is your equation that you need to use, and that you need to plug in these numbers. You don't need to calculate the t, it's already there for you.